In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import leads from Excel CSV into Zoho CRM. By the end, you'll feel confident bringing your spreadsheet data into the leads module without losing valuable information or time. Before we begin, make sure your spreadsheet is saved as a CSV file. In Excel, that typically means using the CSV or CSV UTF-8 format. It's best if your first row contains clear headers like first name, last name, company, email, and phone. Keep your data clean, remove blank rows, fix obvious typos, and ensure each email is in a valid format. This preparation helps Zoho recognize your columns correctly. Also, make sure you're signed in to your Zoho CRM account with the right permissions to import leads. Open your browser and go to crm.zoho.com. Once the CRM loads, look to the left sidebar and click Sales. This switches your view to the sales-focused modules so you can access everything related to your pipeline and leads. Next, click Leads. This opens the Leads module where all incoming prospects live. It's helpful to be here because your imported records will appear in this exact place, ready for follow-up and workflows. At the top, locate the Create Lead button and open its drop-down menu. Instead of creating a single record by hand, we want the batch import option so we can bring everything in at once. Choose Import Leads from that drop-down. Zoho's Import Wizard opens and guides you through the process. You'll see multiple sources, but for a spreadsheet sitting on your computer, you'll use the From File option. Under From File, click Browse. This opens your file picker so you can locate the CSV you prepared earlier. If you have multiple versions, choose the most up-to-date file with the correct headers. Select the file and click Open. A quick tip here, if your file is large, consider testing with a small sample first. That way you can confirm formatting and field recognition before importing thousands of rows. Now click Next. Zoho will scan your file and begin reading your column headers. On the following screens, it typically suggests matches between your CSV columns and Zoho's lead fields. Take a moment to review those suggestions, especially for key fields like email, phone, and company, and watch out for date or number formats. When everything looks right, simply follow the on-screen prompts to finish the import. That's it. Your leads will be imported into the Leads module and ready for nurturing, assignment, and automation. If you found this helpful, get your CSV ready and give it a try.